Hello everybody, this is Johnny5. In this video I'm talking about Steam. Steam is a free gaming platform to buy games, to modify games, or to download accessories for games if you need to. I use it to buy games usually, but there's a lot of good free games, and I do it for mods too, for my Gary's Mod series, Map Tours. There's so many creative community mods, and a lot of games have mods too. So it's really cool. And all you do is go to www.steam.com and you download this thing here. And you have any storage, shows your game library, games, software. A lot of cool free software, free games, free to play games. And you create an account. You can actually make money from this by selling in-game items with a market thing. So it's really interesting. I'll probably make more videos about this just to and like I said, a lot of creative people on this to make cool games with ideas and stuff like that. And people are streaming, and it's really cool. So if you have any questions, please feel free to put in the comments, and have a wonderful day.